Hi everybody, we're back again with another ratting video. So if you don't like watching this kind of stuff, I suggest you turn it off now. We're going to get straight into the action. This is Steve shooting the rat, filmed via my Hick Vulcan 15mm. I apologise for the quality of this clip, but as you can see, there's a rat in my sights. I'm getting loads of washout from the fence that's in front of me, and I'll focus in on that and show you just how tight it is, what sometimes we have to shoot through. But nonetheless, the rat drops. Unfortunately, we didn't have the firepower with us to take these two out. And another minor technicality is the landowner doesn't want us to shoot them on here. This is one of them through the Hick 15mm spotter. Well, that's it for this one. If you haven't subscribed already, if you would subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. There'll be lots more videos coming in the near future. So look after yourselves. Paul and Steve.